Hey guys, welcome to another video of Paris. Today is our last day in Paris and now we are going to a place called the Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Paris, commonly known as Sacré-Cœur, and we'll tell you about the place in detail once we reach there. So let's go. Mohor is back again, and as always she wants to climb up all alone to the topmost point of the city. Just like the rest of Paris, Basilica will charm you at any time of the year. If you are there in summer, try to go in the morning, like we did, to beat the crowd. It's a huge climb or walk uphill to reach the top, and the view from the top overlooking Paris is just amazing. Sacré-Cœur is the Roman Catholic Church and minor basilica dedicated to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Basilica is open every day from 6 in the morning to 10:30 at night, and the entrance is absolutely free. From inside, it's quite like any other old church with so much of artworks on the ceiling and glass painting. More than 10 million visitors each year comes to Sacré-Cœur Basilica, and it's France's second most visited church after Rotterdam Cathedral. Now it's time to say goodbye to Paris, but we will surely come back. Let's have a small montage of our trip. we have our train to Rotterdam from Gare station. Hope you enjoyed traveling with us. Did you enjoy Paris videos? If yes, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel to travel the world with me. If you have anything to ask, just comment down below and you can share the video as well. Just be happy and keep traveling.